Hello students, in this video we begin the chapter of constructions. To draw a geometrical figure accurately, some basic geometrical instruments are needed. One of them of course is your ruler or your graduated scale, and if you have a look then one side of which is marked in centimeters, okay, and also in millimeters, and the other side is marked in inches. These are inches. Apart from a graduated scale or a ruler, you will also need a protractor. This is how a protractor looks. This is a protractor. So you have various degrees. This tell you the degrees of the particular angles, starting from 0 all the way till 180 if measured from right to left, and if measured from from left to right, then also you have 0 to 180 degrees. Right in the center you have 90 degrees, which is your right angle. Apart from this, you also need what you call a pair of compasses or a compass, okay, wherein you have to adjust the pencil. There's a provision for to put the pencil over here because you need to draw, okay. You need to adjust the compass in such a way that the pointer and the tip of the pencil are aligned with each other, okay. Now in this chapter we will be learning how to construct various angles, for example 90 degrees or 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 30 degrees, and so forth. Okay, we'll learn how to draw angle bisectors as well as to draw line bisectors. So we begin first by constructing a line bisector. Okay, what is a bisector? A bisector divides the line into two equal parts. Okay, so if you have a line of 8 centimeters, and if you draw a line bisector, then it will divide the line into two equal parts. That means one half will be of 4 centimeters, the other half will be of 8 centimeters. So let's begin. Let us draw a line to begin with. Okay, so we take a line over here. Okay, you can choose the length you wish, unless you are given the line length of the line. So I'll take it from here to 8. Okay, so this is 6 centimeters that I have taken. Okay, and I'll mark them as A and B. Okay, my next step is to use compass and draw arcs that will cut each other at the top as well as the bottom of this line, and I will use A and B as centers to draw those arcs. Now the measurement that needs to be taken to draw those arcs always has to be more than half of this length. So if this is 6 centimeters that I have taken, that means the length that I need to construct those arcs at both ends should be more than 3 centimeters. So I'm going to take 3.5 centimeters over here, just to be sure that I'm taking a length that is more than 3. You can choose whatever length you wish, but just make sure that it is more than 3. And I'll take B as the center, and I'll construct an arc this way on top and one at the bottom, and I use the same measurement, and this time I take A as the center over here. And I draw the arcs in such a way that they cut the arcs that I have previously constructed using B as center. So now you see that the arcs cut each other. And let's mark the point where they meet each other. So over here and over here. Okay, and what I need to do is I'll just construct a line passing through the intersection of these two arcs. This way. Okay, there you go, and I can mark this as O, and if you want you can mark these as well, P and Q, and that is our line bisector. And you can check what is the length it is, because we said it cuts the line into two equal parts. Have a look. Okay, so it is at 3 centimeters. The total length of this line segment AB was 6 centimeters, and this particular area or length is 3 centimeters. The entire length is 6 centimeters. So this is how we draw or construct a line bisector. Alright, so this is what we call a line bisector. Easy. Now let's learn how to draw or construct 90 degrees angle. So a 90 degrees angle is also known as a right angle, and let's begin with constructing a 90 degrees angle. So without the help of a protractor, so we'll use only the scale and a pair of compass. Okay, and we can use any length in order to cut the arcs. So what we do is, I've just taken any length at random, and I will make this point as my center. So I'll mark this first as A, and I'll mark this as B. And I'll make A as my center. I'm going to construct an arc. This way. The next step is to use the same length that I used to construct this arc and make this point as my new center, the place where this arc cuts the line, and I will cut or construct another arc that cuts the previous arc over here. I continue using the same measurement, and this time I will make this as my new center, the point at which the two arcs intersect. Using the same length, I cut another arc on this big arc, and I mark the point where the two arcs now intersect. Right? Now, with the same measurement, the measurements are not changed. I make this as my new center, and I construct another arc here, and I use this as my other center, and I construct another arc in such a way that it intersects or cuts the arc that I've just made, and I get the two arcs to intersect each other and mark the point at which they meet, like this. Then all I need to do is I need to join this point over here to this point over here, so that I get a line, a straight line, this way. Correct? And now this should form our 90 degrees or right angle. You can check this with the help of a protractor. We keep our point over here as a center and make sure it coincides with the line, the zero coincides with our line AB over here, and you can see it is meeting at 90 degrees. So we have drawn a 90 degrees angle. So this is how you draw 90 degrees or right angle. Okay, so understood. So we have, in this video we have learned how to construct a line bisector as well as a 90-degree angle, and if you want you can mark this as C as well. So you get angle CAB over here, which is equal to 90 degrees, and we have done so without using the protractor. Got it? So in the next video we will learn how to draw an angle bisector and how to construct 45 degrees. Thank you for watching. Continue watching videos to learn more about construction of various angles.